Good morning, student. Today we are going to see our third part of speech, and which is named as adjective. Adjective means visheshan. It is the third part of speech. Yesterday we have already seen pronoun. So today we are going to see adjective. Adjective means visheshan. Now what is meant by adjective? Adjective, it is a word which gives extra information about noun or pronoun. It means it gives the extra information about noun or pronoun. We use noun also and pronoun also. We will just understand by example. For example, one, he is honest person in the office. He is honest person in the office. So he is pronoun here. And how is he? He is honest. So honest is a adjective because this honest word gives extra information about this he. Understand? That's why it is adjective. Honest is a adjective in this sentence. Now next sentence, next example. Komal is a clever girl in the class. So Komal is the name of girl. And how is Komal? Komal is a clever girl. So clever word indicate more information about this person Komal. Understand? That's why clever is also adjective because this word gives extra information about this noun Komal. Here it is a pronoun. Understand? Third one example, Ravi is tall boy. Now how was Ravi or how is Ravi? Ravi is a tall. That's why about Ravi this word tall give extra information about this Ravi. So it is also adjective. Now next one, Ritu. Ritu is a silent girl. Ritu is a silent girl. So which word? This word silent indicate more information about Ritu. That's why it is also adjective. So do you understand this concept of adjective? Adjective is nothing but the word. It is a word which gives extra information about noun or pronoun. Very easy definition. Do you understand properly? Now it is question that how many types of adjective are there? Do you know about that? So there are 8 types of adjective in our English language, and we are going to see first type. And first type is adjective of quality. So quality, do you know what is meant by quality? Quality means our qualities in our person. हमें जो गुण होते हैं क्वालिटी, जैसे कि क्लेवरनेस, ऑनेस्टी एंड kindness, all these are the qualities in our human being. So adjective of quality means adjective which shows the quality of person is called adjective of quality. A word which shows the quality of person, of any person or animal also. So it is called adjective of quality. Easy definition, you can easily prepare this definition. Understand? A word which shows the quality of person or animal is called adjective of quality. And examples are big. We will make the sentence by your own also. This adjective of quality big. So first example, elephant is a big animal. How is elephant? It is a big animal. So this big word shows the quality of elephant. Understand? That's why it is the quality of adjective or adjective of quality. Understand? Second example, tall or honest. She is honest girl in the class. She is honest girl in the class. So honest is also word is showing quality of pronoun she. That's why it is the adjective of quality. Now another words of adjective are given here. Small, honest, clever, and number of examples. So you will try to make at least 5 example by your own. Write down these 2 also and make 5 example. Understand? Now next type of adjective is adjective of quantity. There is a difference between quality and quantity. Do you know about that? Quality means good of person, and quantity means quantity. Quantity shows the number of any things. Understand? Quantity means it shows the number. So this word should be remembered. It means how much in number it shows. Understand? So adjective of quality is a word which show exact number or quantity of person. And for example, much, more, enough. I want more chocolate. I want more chocolate. So more is a adjective of quantity. How many? I want more. Then enough. I need enough oxygen. I need enough oxygen. So enough is a word which show quantity. Then all. All people come to the party. All people come to the party. Then few. I want few pens. I want few pens. Then half. Half portion should be omitted. Half portion should be omitted. So do you understand all these examples? We will try to make sentence by using this word which showing the quantity. Understand? So we just understand now two types, adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Now we will try to understand the third type of adjective, and third one is adjective of number. Adjective of number. It is also easy. Adjective of number. Number shows the exact number. Number shows exact number. In this quantity, number is not shown exactly. Not shown exactly number. Such as more. More means not exact number, but some quantity is there. But in adjective of number, exact number is shown. And what is the definition? A word which show the exact number about the noun. Understand? Exact number about the noun is called adjective of number. So no need to write definition. You will make it by your own. A word which show exact number about the noun or pronoun is called adjective of number. It means संख्यावाचक विशेषण. In Marathi, संख्यावाचक विशेषण. Understand? Quantity means प्रमाणवाचक and quality means गुणदर्शक. Third one is संख्यावाचक विशेषण. Now example of five, then first, then second, then various type of examples are there. Now we will try to make example in sentence. There are five girls in the race. How many girls in the race? There are five girls in the race. So which word shows the extra information about the girls? This five. How many girls? Five. That's why five is a adjective of number. Understand? Then next one, first. She is first in the class. She is first in the class. How is she? She is first in the class. About in study. Understand? It means this first word shows the number of her progress card, or number of that girl. Understand? So number of various number of adjectives are there. We will try to make at least 5 examples. Understand? So do you understand all these three types? We will revise again. First, adjective. Participle by adjective. Adjective is a word which gives extra information about noun or pronoun. Then first type is adjective of quality, such as being tall, small, honest. All these words shows the quality of person. Then adjective of quantity. It means number not shown exactly, but quantity is shown, such as much, more, enough, or few. All these are the adjective of quantity. And last one is adjective of number. Adjective of number shows the exact number about noun or pronoun. Understand? So do you understand all these three types? Understand properly? Then you have to write down these three types and definition of adjective also in your notebooks of special grammar, and write down at least 5 example. Understand? Thanks. We will see our next type of adjective in our next video. Thank you.